Alright, so I didn't plan on making this video today, but I have to show you guys. This is ridiculous. Alright, I got a big stupid smile on my face. Alright, you ready? The player is the torch. Let's turn off the where is it? Update light column. And it's right here. So this is just ridiculous. Yeah, it's a little you can probably tell it's a little bit, just a little bit jittery. But this is essentially software lighting. And the fact that it can even do this like this is ridiculous. It looks very ominous, actually. This is so cool. So let's just kind of go this way. Oh no. I'm gonna have to turn up the render distance a bit. Okay, that is really ominous. This is like very reminiscent of like old school Minecraft. Even with non-smooth lighting, that's really creepy actually. Oh, this is so cool. I got like the stupidest smile on my face right now. I think it's just so cool looking how basically when you go up and bridge upwards, it does that effect. So this is pretty much as smooth as I can get it, but I think it came out pretty good. Oh man, this is like super cool. I literally was about to stop programming and I'm like, nah, let's do something else. Um, I'm not sure what's limiting this. This might be just CPU bound, but that's okay. Because this type of dynamic lighting doesn't even work that well in Minecraft. Never mind Minetest trying to do this with the Lua API. Um, I've tried to do this before, and it sometimes completely bugs out. I don't know. I'm just gonna. I don't think I'm gonna program anymore after this because like I don't know how I'm gonna top this today. But the link is in the description. You can try it out. Open it up with IntelliJ, and you should just be able to build it. I'm not sure if this works on Mac OS though. There was something about I had to do something special for Mac OS and whatnot, but let's just build to the top of the world. Well, let's see if I can. Oh no! Let's try that again. It's just it's kind of mesmerizing watching the world disappear. And a spider just crawled on my leg. That's nasty. Oh yeah, I forgot I set this really high. Okay, there we go. Let's see if I could do this. This is very difficult. I'm gonna have to like. There we go. Really gonna put snaking in this. And across here. So this is pretty ominous up here. So let's just kind of go back down. And you can see the frame rate tanks when you do a lot of updates. I'm doing a special buffer thing that I'm like, how am I gonna do this? I'm not sure. The next step is figuring out floodlighting or something. Not sure I'm gonna do that, but we'll find out. I think this is pretty good considering I just started prototyping this today. Let's see. Let's go over here. I'm gonna have to, oh no. Let's get back to our position. I'm gonna have to implement some kind of block class or something. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do the structure of it though. I definitely want it to be static because I do not want excessive amounts of memory to be used, because block IDs are static anyways. Once the block is initialized, it is initialized in memory. You could technically modify it afterwards. I'm pretty sure that's how Minecraft mods get away with it. You can modify the block identification and whatnot, but we'll see. We'll see. Very, very complex to think about, and I've done a lot of thinking today. So, dude, that is just so cool how it just fades out of existence. This looks kind of like a horror game. We can actually turn down the light. Let me see where I put my data. I put it in here as a test. This is flood fill test. It's not even, well, it is technically a flood fill, but it's not a true flood fill that can do like snaking around stuff and whatnot. Do I increase this or do I decrease this? I think it is decrease. Crash inbound. Oh yeah, it's definitely decrease. Okay, now it really looks like a horror game. Oh, you can actually see the block positions. So I'd like to reiterate what I said in my JMonkey video a while ago. The block positions are a little bit different than Minecraft and Minetest. I always found it very strange that you have to, not only strange, but very tedious that you have to add plus 0.5 to the X, Y, and Z vector to basically initialize the floored position of where it is. Otherwise you get float, you get like a halfway point. It's all kinds of messed up. With this you could just floor a direct position and it will get it. That's how I'm doing this, and you can see it's very precise. It's very cool. And that the world's just gonna kind of disappear. And this should have X and Y and Z. Yep, it just disappears. Okay. Yeah, I spent like 20 minutes. Whoops! Oh, I thought it wasn't. I thought it was like frozen. What I was looking up. Um, yeah, I added in a bunch of exceptions to this to make sure that it works properly. Now I have no idea if Notch ever tested this one or Celeron 55 ever tested this one, but this is certainly a fun test. I love doing stuff like this. It's just to do it for the sake of doing it. So I know that Celeron 55 turned Minetest into Flight Simulator. I think that's pretty cool. Let's see. Not even sure what else to talk about. I'm actually just kind of mesmerized by this. Maybe we can actually get this a little bit faster. Let's instantiate a method. I forget the name for it, but a field, private static final byte equals whoops, what do we call this? Torch distance. Can't type anymore, and we'll just instantiate that like that. Everywhere it says 16. Okay, these need to say the same. Torch distance. This should run a little bit faster, so it doesn't have to make a object every so often. So let's actually initialize this right here, so that it gets swept up by the garbage collector when it goes out of scope versus it creating a new object. Okay, that's actually cool. That's a lot faster. What the heck? It has like the simulation that it's lagging because of the way that the voxel lighting updates, but you can see when I jump, it's smooth. Let's see. Let's add some more exceptions to this. And now we can kind of crank it up. Let's put it up to 24. This is a really bad idea. Yep, that is... wow. I'm not even sure how this is running, to be honest with you. This is a lot of calculations. You can see how bright it is where I am. It's actually hurting my eyes because we were in the dark so long during this video. This is actually really cool. Let's put it down to 10, so it's like in the middle. And I gotta put a new button in here so you could just maximize the window. I'm not even sure if Lightweight Java Game Library can do that, but I know it can full screen the app. But I just want to put in a button that maximizes the window because that's something I really like to do when I record and stuff like this. But anyways, guys, I think you've seen it off. If you want to try it out, I'm actually going to push this this git commit with the static final because it gets baked into the executable jar. So anyways, I'll see you in the next video, and peace out.